Dogs that took. Celtic Johnson. The cast is Celtic Johnson as himself, Fiona Dog as herself, and Linda Dog as herself. Yay, I'm going to go see Linda and Fiona. Linda, Fiona, where are you? Where are you? Linda? I just saw a lizard. Linda? Fiona? Come here. Woohoo! Hey there. Come here. Come here. Hey, Linda. Translation? Hi. Where's Fiona? There she is. Hi, Fiona. Hi, Celtic. I love Slash. Who's Slash? My boyfriend. Okay. You know you're my friend. You hear some crumbling noises? Yes, I hear some crumbling noises. And I hear something else. I can't remember. Squirrel? Squirrel? I just fell back. I'm too lazy. There goes the car. I'm the car. I make the jokes. You know that? Yes, I do. Linda? You have anything to say? Yes, to your mother. She's a good mother, and she's lucky to have you. Well, that's nice. See you later. Credits. Dogs that talk. Celtic Johnson as himself. Fiona Dog as herself. Linda Dog as herself. The cast crew is director Celtic Johnson. The 2009 by Warner Brothers.